Hello everyone, welcome to FitsFun CODM. Today I'm going to tell you about a very good app for live streaming. And how to set it up. So as you see, I've opened the app. So we have Go Live feature, but if you're doing it for gaming, you don't have to use this. Okay, I'll tell you how to screen share using this app. Okay, so this is for normal live. If you're doing it with camera, so So first thing you need to do is click these two lines on the top left corner. Then go to account settings. As you see, I've already set all the required details or connected all the required platforms. So you can connect it. Okay, it is super easy. Then we have themes. So this is available only in Ultra feature. Okay, then we have rewards. This is a very good thing. So as you see, I have got some rewards and I have redeemed some points. I'll tell you about it, what you get. So as you see, for every minute you stream, you get 1 point. You can only get 200 points in a week. Then multi-streaming option is there, but the problem is that you only get 200 points per week. So if you are planning to do multi-streaming, then it will be only possible once in 2 weeks. So after that, scenes. So in scenes you can set up, but this is usually for camera users. If you're gaming, then it is not required. You can use screen capture. So this is the main thing for gamers. So you don't have to go live, which you saw in the start of the video. If you want to share the screen, then you have to come here, next, then create event. You can also schedule it. When you schedule the event, like if I make it if I make it private, okay, so save, so screen share. Now you see, right, there is an upcoming event. So you can schedule it like this. Then we have stream. So we keep the audio quality very high. It is very helpful, especially for gamers. And output resolution. If you have a good Wi-Fi internet, you can use 1080p. Otherwise, on for mobile device, you can use 720p. Okay, then expected frame rate 60 fps. Okay, thank you for watching. Subscribe to FixPunk CODM, and if you like the video, do like and share. Thank you.